Alright guys, what I got some chicken breast browning, a little bit of oil. We're going to put us some white chicken chili together tonight. See how that tastes. We're going to flip these over. Hey, listen. Some brown. Alright, I got my chicken browned off. We're going to add in some peppers, onions, and celery. Give it a good mix. Deglaze the pan. See all that good flavor down there. That's yum. Let them brown off a little bit. Alright guys, we got our chicken browned up, cut up. I got some stock going in. Some of these tomatoes and zesty chili. It's good, it's fire. You gotta try it. It's already ready to go. And these are good too. You try this. Just open the bag and pour it in. You ain't gotta chop, dice, and all that crap. Got some beans rinsed, some northern beans and some pintos going in the pot. We got our veggies browned down, sweat it out. They're looking yum. We'll put it all in the pot and see what we get. Alright, we got our beans and tomatoes and chicken back in. Stir that up. Add in our stock. Yeah, chicken stock. Using chicken stock. You can use any stock you want. You can stock tar if you want to. Let that go for a while. We'll see what we get. Alright, we got everything mixed up. We're going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. And I tasted it. Tastes pretty good. So we might adjust a little seasoning down the line. We'll see what happens for now. Alright guys, about 30 minutes. We got some chicken chili going down. Looks real good.
Daddy, hurry up.
Time to eat. Gotta go. Bye.